everybody, Erin Troy. So excited to be taking this last elective with everybody. Woo. Well, I know it's not everybody's last one, but it's mine. So yay! um, let's see. Why did I take this class? I actually took a bunch of, or not a bunch, but like one or two classes in my undergrad about sexuality, women and sexuality, human sexuality. And I really loved them. They were fun and just super fascinating. I've always been, I don't know, incredibly fascinated by the concept of sex. Um, I don't know. It's like a force that can make you, break you, identify you, excite you, terrify you. Um, and just, I don't even know. There's just, it's like a living, breathing thing that's just, I don't know, fascinating for me. Um, I would say when I moved here, I was just completely and totally blown away by the amount of housewives that were not interested in sex to a point where I started selling sex toys. So, that I could inspire everybody to, you know, reconnect in their marriages and find intimacy and have some fun and self-exploration and all of that fun stuff. So I would say that I'm a very sexual being, and I really just like to study the topic of human sexuality. Let's see. For my safety in this class, I would say just the knowledge of knowing that there's just no TMI and everyone's just going to be raw and unjudgmental and just, you know, express what we have to express and do what we got to do. And that's pretty much it. But I'm really excited. It seems like it's going to be super fun. I just did the first discussion and it was wonderful. And so I look forward to taking this journey, or this sexual journey, with all of you guys. And I hope you enjoy it as much as I do. All right. Have a wonderful rest of your Tuesday.